What's going on, guys? Mike, aka Crypto Jewels. I'm going to do a Trias video. We are going to be diving into the micro and to the macro since I'm starting to see some price action unfold, and it is allowing me to get potential targets for the larger degree wave and run that is potentially coming. So, guys, a couple things real fast. First of all, I am not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment and educational purposes. So do not blindly follow anything I say or do. Also, I have partnered with a website called Trippy.io. They are a copy trading platform. So if you're sick and tired of trying to trade or losing money or whatever, you can simply sign up. I've got an affiliate link that will give you 30% off the platform fees below this video. Sign up, follow my account, and you will automatically be entered into any trades that I take. So you let me do all the hard work for you. All right, let's hop into the lower degree, lower time frame here, and then we'll get into the macro after this. So what I currently see us being in is this impulsive structure here. And guys, first of all of this is basically dependent on Bitcoin being bottomed. If Bitcoin has bottomed, then this structure will play out, in my opinion, or at least one of these structures that I discussed will play out. If it has not, and we still need one more low on Bitcoin, then this entire analysis goes out the window. So make sure you guys are following my Twitter, or if you're, not wanting to pay for my private Discord, get in my free Discord at least. That is where I post daily Bitcoin updates. So if Bitcoin starts to reverse on us and go the other direction, then you'll know that this analysis basically is out the window. But as of right now, this is the structure that I am seeing, and this is the way that I'm currently seeing this thing play out, which is that this is a 1-2, and we are currently on our 3 of 1 wave structure, and we are in the middle of our 3 of 1. So I anticipate our micro 3 of our 3 wave to top around $1.80 or so, $1.80, $1.90, correct down to probably $1.60, and then finish our third wave at 218, and then correct it down to about $1.70, and then finish our final 5th wave, which could put in our larger degree 1 wave at 252. So that is what I am seeing currently unfold, and this is how I'm trading this. I will not sell my Trias until 252. That is where I will exit the market and exit Trias, unless, of course, I see something else going on that makes me worried about this unfolding the way I see it now. But I don't have any reason yet to believe that that's going to happen. So let's hop out onto the larger degree. So as we've discussed in the past, if you guys watch these videos, this entire structure here is either a 1 wave of a bullish impulse or an A wave of some larger degree corrective. So keeping that in mind, this is what I see as possible. As long as Bitcoin has bottomed and we don't see a lower low, I see this structure here playing out regardless, which basically puts us up to, like I said before, which is 252 to put in a 1 wave. Then we'll have a 2 wave correction all the way down to $1.20 to $1.50 or so. And then we should have a 3 wave structure up to about 587. And then a 4 wave down to about 330. And then the final 5th wave up, either putting in our C or putting in our larger degree 1 wave at about 837. So this will either be our C wave of this entire ABC structure. I'll throw the wave on it so you can see. So that will either be an entire completed corrective structure, and then from there we could become impulsive downwards, or it could just create some larger degree complex correction, this being an ABC putting in a W, then you would have an ABC putting an X, and then an ABC putting in a Y, something along those lines, which basically would probably either kill Trias. If it became impulsive downwards, it would basically just die off. Or if it becomes a more larger degree corrective structure, it would probably just form, some sort of a larger degree range, all the way up from, $20 down to $1, where it would just range in a corrective structure in that area. My guess is this thing's either going to be boom or bust. And if we do hit this C and we become impulsive downwards and break, I would imagine we break below this low here, and it would die off if that is the case and we get this C. The other scenario is the bullish scenario, where this is a one wave, a larger degree one wave, and this entire structure here was a WXY to put in our 2. And then we have put in the 1 at 837. And then this zone down here, which is the retracement from 786 to 618, that area from $1.50 to 225 would have to hold. If we sustained and broke that 786 support here and ended up trading below it significantly, it would start to raise some major red flags for me. And I would think that this thing is not going to end up getting its larger degree 5-wave structure. But if it does hold this zone and break back above that 837, then I would anticipate this structure playing out, which would take us to about $1.85 for our larger degree 3-wave. So I know you guys watch my other videos, and back when we were possibly bottoming here, I had targets of $250 for this 3-wave. As of right now, my minimum target for this 3-wave would be 184. That's assuming there are no extensions whatsoever in this structure, which more than likely there would be. So if we end up getting this larger degree bullish structure and play a 3-wave, that would be my minimum target, would be 184. My guess is it would go quite a bit higher than 184, but again, that would be my minimum target. And then from there, you would have a larger degree ABC or some sort of corrective 4-wave structure down, which could take you all the way down to 24, 25 bucks. So that would go from 184 all the way down to 25 bucks, and then potentially have your final 5th wave up to, $500-600. So that would be the uber bullish scenario. If Bitcoin has bottomed, and if we are, finally with Bitcoin going to see some higher highs and make all-time highs and not some lower lows. So that's my scenario, guys, for Trias. Hope you enjoy it. See y'all later.